Hi guys, I've been asked by a few people how to do question 5 of the first exercise, and I think by looking at it I've found the problem I think is mainly down to the people not paying attention to the scale, because the scale's not the same on the x-axis always as the y-axis. I think you're always assuming that maybe one square's just jumping up 1. So if you look, for example, for question 5a, you can see here that the scale's going up in 1s, 2, 3, but it's jumping in 2s to get that. Whereas if you look up the way, it's going up 2, 4, 6. So the scales are quite different. But if you go back to what I'll do is I'll post a page with just my written solutions. But basically, if you're using the formula gradient equals vertical change over horizontal change, what you're really wanting to do is find kind of 2 whole number points. So if you take that one, it's sitting on a whole number point, and then the next time maybe this one here is sitting on a whole number point, and look at the difference vertically, which is up and down, over horizontally. But look at the scale carefully, because here it's up at 10 and then it comes down to 4, so that's a physical difference of 6 vertically. But when you look at your scale horizontally, it's actually only jumping by 1 for that kind of, if you were drawing a triangle on here. So difference wise, it's 6 over 1, which is then just a gradient of 6. It's quite a steep line, so you can see there. And I say I'll post this whole page of solutions. If you're using this method, you've also got to look out for negative gradients. So you've got to remember that lines going up the way from left to right are positive. For example, then B is going to have a negative gradient. So you also have to stick a negative in front, which is what I've done. And then you're looking again for 2 whole number points. So you could use something like this and this one, and look at the change vertically. Now it's going up in 2s there, so that change is 2. Horizontally, it's actually just 1. So you end up with vertical over horizontal being 2 over 1, but because it's negative, you've got to have changed that, okay, to negative. Overall, 2 divided by 1 is then just going to give you negative 2. I say I'll put the whole set of solutions up for question 5. But I say if you can have a look and just look at your scales for each of them, because they're a wee bit awkward. Always look for whole number points. So if you're not sure that it's maybe not sitting on a whole number, so for example that one's not, might be about halfway between 2 and 3, don't guess, just use what you think are whole number points. So maybe for that last one I would definitely use that point, and I would probably go to that point up there and then work out the difference vertically over horizontally, paying attention to the scale. Okay, I hope this helps.